nyame ya adom na say duru sa discussion so a eno so meka ho asem pa say John another thing I say menya kwanya meka ho asem eye fuel no say John say metena fia kan say you see about for me fele me kan no fo say John me ko to 250 me say hwe gauge ni bi o say nkrofo no omo abu 50 cedis na ma me ana
onim say nkomo yo koso no say ah that the fool on mu aya ha na wonim me to 200 let it call dan me ka just me aye to 200
wanu abu akwa on
asa me kwa na ma sha de
we na bi ada na e kwa da bi sam dia ene oto eno anhwe
that me shay
da bi se on kwa ansa no ahwe say who say me no okay so this is what probably who would do muja on
me dum no oh yeah oh na say no I ordinarily as who to was dum ja
oh me dey almost say anya no hwe nti me dey me man be
okay me dey me say na
me hu ba bi ade be kwa kwato
but say me udum no kra no a utimi so ani no etimi monitor
ba bi a movement no
ade afemi anam na ade no e ho na me fresh am ya mi adomako na me say me ade mu
bi AI bi abema
mu hwehwe mu me say ade fu no petrol no de omo de ba no omo fremu ana because say ye ni say ade
me dey honestly see e be frame nti ya me to vapor power on few occasion na me to the normal one no economy but I am top it out of vapor power eti say John me to 250 no na me ne wife use net ticket ma ko hwe nanim me say ade
na da wo ko wan hwe
o me hwe ka just me hwe na man ko ba bia o me na mpata so area ha me nko ya hwe ba bia enye se bia me de nanti no ye bu ye ba bia gauge no ko toye na asem na meka
oh okay
se first no a ebe a month ago a anka ba bia be to no 250 no ka me de be konkran but you say 250 no say John
edokoin
edime cost of lie asafo nasa
but serious
I was about to make can ho
serious
na but say Thursday on my cabinet meeting on it or some to make it come
say the my position has been clear say so I want see the no a buy introduce e bra na fu no kofam no eno no onyi
okay
eye at least eno so be ma say ebi dey 14 petrol diesel 17 cities
yes
petrol be dey 14 be dey 15
yes
enti at least
and I only dey hu no so
on a liter no one no free so a ebe ma aba for
when him said this week so based on in fact the BBC America for no best strike Iran for an strike you and that's if you want to akosra pigeon movie you na deadline so
and then no deadline no the man
yes so me strike omo oil facilities no and then a deadline so enti and so fuel no so based on the BC no bitimi a chebe bia fuel no beko
which the next pricing window
with the next pricing window
16th of this month
yes enti say John fuel no so akosro ene
minister transport minister be share operators transport operators
okay
ni nyina eye adjustment omo pen
and so you say bem
ebeba
and you say ba
but what they are meeting omo now is on the percentage
yes
because now ya bema kache ha say they are going to 20, meet omo per 20%.
Yeah,
is say what ministry no eba mu to negotiate a percentage omo no epe
okay
what you say
yeah
ana matisa 100 metro mass aba ba say
electric and I say we
I don't know me name almost 300 100 na aba be drew and no I in fact ya kwan bi na ne ye kan kai ya eba yi
yes e bi rocket ya
o say
e bi rocket
e be ba kumase me nim ba bi e be fa de ba me nim say e bi be ba kumase
enra ye holiday me boa say me ka be bia na me kwa cho me nkra na kwa cho